guys, you're watching GermanGyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today we are up with a new video, and this video is all about misunderstandings. Oh my god, misunderstanding. Yes guys, common German culture misunderstanding by the people like us. So we have decided why not to collect all the misunderstanding in one video and share to you. So in case you are planning to Germany or you live in Germany, then this video can be super duper helpful for you. So make sure to share this video to all the people who actually needs it. Subscribe GermanGyan channel, and if you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of GermanGyan. GermanGyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, even to C2 all level classes, online and offline group classes, one-to-one sessions, like whatever you can think around German. GermanGyan is a one-stop solution. To make sure to enroll with GermanGyan, this is a WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us right now. And without wasting time, let's get started with the video.
When engaging with German-speaking cultures, understanding culture nuances is vital to avoid misunderstandings. So here are some of the common culture faux pas and the language's nuance that accompany them. So the first point is directness and politeness. Germans value direct communication and clarity. While this can come off as a blunt, it's not meant to be rude. Misunderstandings may arise for those accustomed to more indirect communication styles. For example, if you appear for the interview and for some reasons the company do not want to hire you, then they won't give any buttering answers. They will just clearly tell you on your face that they don't want to hire you and there are some reasons, so they will tell you the reasons. So for them, they are being direct, but for some of us, we feel that they are being rude, but it's not the thing. The next is the use of du, that is informal you, and sie, that is formal you, is significant. Using du too early in a relationship can be seen as overly familiar or disrespectful. So the tip is, if you are in Germany and you are meeting a new person, then please start your conversation with sie. And later on you can shift to do if the person wants. After directness and politeness, the next misunderstanding which may face is punctuality. Now for Germans, being late is considered disrespectful in German-speaking countries. Arriving even a few minutes late can lead to a negative impression because Germans are very well famous for being punctual. So if you are in Germany or you are planning to go to Germany, then please learn the formula that you have to be punctual on time. When setting a meeting time, be clear about the expectations. Because phrases like wir treffen uns 4 Uhr or 5 Uhr means we will meet at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, that indicates seriousness about time. Means if you have said this thing, that means you have to be punctual on the time. You have to attend the meeting at 4 o'clock sharp. And please avoid vague terms like in der Nähe von when discussing meeting times. The next misunderstanding is personal space and physical contact. Germans generally maintain a large personal space and may not engage in physical contact like hugs unless well acquainted. Misinterpretation can occur when someone is more physically expressive. I hope you understand that every person has their personal space and every person has their own views that whether they like any physical contact or not, even if that is only a hug. So not only in Germany, but whenever you are going anywhere, just be aware that you cannot just directly hug a person or you can ruin their personal space. Now to avoid this physical contact, use appropriate greetings. For example, a firm handshake is common. Avoid using overly familiar greetings until you know the person well. And phrases like Schon, Sie kennen zu lernen can set the right tone. So use these type of phrases, and better is that you do a handshake only. The next point is humor and sarcasm. German humor can be quite dry and sarcasm may not be easily understood. What is considered funny in other culture might be taken literally or seriously in Germany. Now, this is not about Germany. This may happen with other countries also, because every country has their own culture, their own feelings. So better is first learn the culture of the particular country and then being familiar. Now, to avoid this mistake, be cautious with idioms or sarcastic comments. Instead, opt for straightforward humor. For example, the phrase like "Das ist witzig" means "that's funny" can be received better than any of the sarcasm. Next cultural misunderstanding is discussing personal matters. Now, Germans often keep personal matters private, especially in initial meetings. So, asking personal questions too soon can be seen as intrusive. And the tip to avoid this misunderstanding is stick to neutral topics such as work or travel instead of asking "Wie viel verdienen Sie?" means "How much do you earn?" or some other personal questions like "Do you have a girlfriend?" or "How is your personal relationship is going on?" So better do not ask all these questions and keep topic neutrals about work, travel, and so on. Or you can also consider topics such as interest or hobbies. Next point is gift giving. So gift giving should be done with care. Flowers are common gifts, but avoid giving even numbers as they are typically reserved for funerals. And of course, take care of the color of the flower which you are going to gift, because the meanings of different colors are different. That's why just check to like which flower you are giving to which person. For example, you cannot gift a red rose to your friend's girlfriend. And if you are invited to someone's house, saying "Ich bringe etwas mit" means "I'll bring something" can be appreciated. When presenting a gift, use phrases like "Das ist für Sie" means "this is for you" to express goodwill. Next misunderstanding is table manners. So dining etiquette is very important. Starting to eat before everyone is served or not keeping hands on the table can be frowned upon. So if you are invited to a dinner or a lunch, please take care that the food is served to each and every person, then only you can start eating. And you can use phrases like "Guten Appetit" means enjoy your meal to acknowledge the start of the meal and refrain from talking with your mouth full. Navigating cultural nuances in German-speaking countries requires awareness of language and etiquettes. By understanding these common faux pas and their linguistic implications, individuals can foster better relationships and avoid misunderstandings. Whether in personal interaction or professional settings, being respectful and mindful of cultural differences goes a long way in creating a positive atmosphere.
So guys, how did you felt after watching this video? I hope now you are aware of all the culture misunderstanding, the German culture misunderstanding. We have tried to do the best. Make sure to subscribe this channel and we'll catch you in the next one. Children, keep learning German with GermanGyan. Take care.